Morning, students. Today we have started the exercise of determiners, and I hope there must be no confusions about determiners. What determiners are and what are the types of determiners. So, before we should start the exercises, the worksheets of this chapter, I would like to discuss the uses of some of the determiners. Among that, I think I have little bit discussed about the use of much and many in my previous video, and I think I have had a conversation or explanations about countable and uncountable nouns. So now, about when we used to talk about use of much and many, I would like to repeat myself that many is a determiner. Basically, whatever we will discuss here is the discussion about the quantifier determiners. So the use of much will be always with the uncountable nouns, and the uncountable nouns will exist or include the abstract ideas and the liquid substances like water, ink, milk, है ना. Or the abstract ideas or the abstract nouns, that means will be the feelings or the strong emotions, as well as stuffs like salt, rice, sugar. These things are also considered to be the uncountable nouns. So much is always used with uncountable nouns, whereas we would like I would like to tell you that many is a determiner, basically the quantifier, which is always used with countable nouns. So now these two are the things. Now about few, I'd like to discuss you about tell you the uses of few and some, lot, plenty. See, some of them like few and plenty are used with countables, and little, some are used with uncountable. See, when we used to have two determiners like a lot of and a few of, a sum of, these are also determiner, but they are used in with both the countables and the uncountable nouns. So now, keeping these things in your mind, you should begin with the worksheets. I have given you homework to write the recipe, one of your favorite recipe, using these determiners. After that, in worksheet number 2, you can see there is a caterpillar holding a stem with different leaves, and the leaves are having the nouns where we have to use much and many. Now, like books, many books, much milk, much coffee, many cows, much information, many carrots, much food, many children, many cars, much rice, many chair, and much work. So now what you have to do, you have to list these words in these two columns. Now here is your shopping time. Now I have given it today as your homework. Now I would like to describe you about explain you, actually not describe, like to explain you how you are going to do this one. So what you have to do, you are having the look of this pamphlet actually. So what this pamphlet is having, this is giving you the information of different floors which where you have gone for shopping, and now your mother is very busy and she is arranging a birthday party and you decided to help her, so you went to the shop. So what you are going to do, you should, considering this information about that evergreen store, you have to decide what things you have to buy. You are going to prepare a shopping list for yourself. So you can write any naming word in the given blank space. Okay, so do this as your homework. Now in the next page, that is page number 51, what you have to do, you have to, then you can see this is the ed box, the eating habits. The eating habits of junk food of Rahul is compared in both of the years, that is 2017 and 2018. Now you can see there are different stuffs like toffee, chocolate bar, Lay's, Coke and ice cream cups, and the amount or the quantity is mentioned that Rahul had in both these years. Now what you have to do here, again you can see this is the list. This is the list. Okay, one second. Okay, this is the list of the junk food. Now here you can see is the list of determiners. Now what you have to exactly do, you have to compare the eating habits of junk food by Rahul in a sentence using these determiners. So one example is already here, you can see it is done. Rahul ate more toffees in 2018 than 2017. After that there is chocolate bars, and obviously you can see 65 eaten in 2018 and 50 eaten in 2017. So you should write here Rahul ate more chocolate bars in 2018 than 2017. Again Lay's you can see that the same number, 28 packets. You should write here Rahul ate the same number of Lay's packet in 2000 year and 2018. Now the next one will be, you can say here Coke. So Coke is a drinking substance, so you should write here Rahul drank a little, because you can see 42 bottles in 2017 and 41 bottles in 2018. Should write here Rahul drank a little Coke in the year 2018 than 2017. Now the next one, ice cream cups. So what you are going to write here, Rahul ate many ice cream cups in 2018 than 2017. Why? Because you can see in the list 2017 he is only having 18 and 2018 he is having 38. So it is a large number. Now again, what, do it yourself. You have to circle the correct word, that are determiners, and you have to circle it. So there aren't many people. Okay, now so I am going to keep a tick mark over there. Okay, so there aren't many people. There are a few newspaper on the table. There are plenty of mangoes, and a lot of people gathered at the exercise. Now students, you can somewhere you will find more is also used with people, so don't get confused, both are the correct one. Now in these, second one is a fill in the blanks. Now what you have to do, read the letter that Ritu has written to her parents from Kashmir. She has forgotten to fill in some parts of letter. Help her to complete the letter. So you can have this as an example of your informal letter. A girl is writing letter to her parents. Now, hello Kashmir is a, dear mummy, hello, Kashmir is a beautiful place. There are few good places, many good places, anything worth visiting. The Dal Lake is more beautiful than I had thought. There are plenty of hotels, but very few are good. I'm repeating again. There are plenty of hotels, but very few are good enough to stay in. I have made many friends here. Rest when I reach home. Your loving daughter, Ritu. Now, number 3 will be your homework. Do page number 52, question number 3, and one more, do page number 50 also, that is worksheet number 3. So that's all for today. Tomorrow online class we will start our new chapter.